Yeah, this is Ernan over at Biggs Harley, San Marcos, California. If you like flames, this is your bike. Look at that paint. Chrome wheels. I mean, this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous bike. 2010 CVO Screaming Eagle 110. Highway pegs. Bike's in really, really good condition. It's got all the luggage and all that good stuff here in the trunk. It even has, check this out. Key, luggage, backrest for the rider, water bottles came with it. Pretty cool. Super, super good condition. Whoever owned this before really loved it. Now it needs a new home. Come on down to Biggs Harley Davidson, San Marcos, California. Take a test ride. Let's get you on two wheels. Only 34,000 miles. See you guys soon.